Congratulations, you made it. You're one lucky person to land on this site. Allow me to tell you why. Right below me are full sets of Master Race Sell Rights products that you can instantly download, 100% free, and keep 100% of the sales. They are in all sorts of different niches, so it give you a variety of income streams to be had. I will be uploading new products periodically, so make sure you come back often, and make sure you bookmark this site right now. Below that is where I will be offering you brand new products all below $10. These products actually sell for $17 to $77 each, so make sure you check them out. Then we have the How to Marketing. This is where you can watch free videos that will help you understand what it is you're wanting to do. And under that, we will be adding our very own services to you, at a cost you would not get anywhere else online period. Then we have some product reviews. As you can see, we have just started out with this site, so much more will be posted in the coming weeks, so make sure you bookmark us right now. Even better, subscribe to the free report over to your top right, and then you will be emailed when we have posted up brand new info products. Now down the middle of the page, make sure you watch our video if you want highly targeted traffic driven to your website on total autopilot 24/7. This is how we have built a list of over 300,000 subscribers and generated $1,000 paydays. You'll see just how simple this program is, and it literally only takes seconds to set up each campaign. Honestly, it's just so damn easy to do. Then we have 4 of the latest products that have just been uploaded inside one of our membership sites. This program is only open to those of you who land on this site, so it will pay for you to check this out. You get all the latest marketing tools from all the top marketers and companies online. Now we have our social links, where you can inform your social groups about this site, and go into our draw to win a full-blown membership to over $140,000 worth of up-to-date resell rights products which are added daily. This is a massive win for one lucky person monthly. So make sure you share this site to get added to the monthly draw. Now we are into the latest regular uploads, which are free to download. These will be changed at will, so make sure you get the programs you want, because these are not archived, and once they are gone for good. Then we have a couple of videos that may help with your marketing efforts. That's about it. Again, welcome to our development platform.